Hello, we're doing checkpoint 1.10 from section 1.2. Here we are asked to consider this quadratic equation, quadratic function 3x squared minus 6x plus 2. First they want us to find the zeros, and then they want us to see if the parabola is opening up or down. All right, let's find the zeros, and to find the zeros, you essentially set it equal to 0. And when we set it equal to 0, we will have 3x squared minus 6x plus 2 equal to 0. Now the ideal is that if we can factor it, and we can set each of the factors equal to 0. Unfortunately, I don't think this is factorable. So we will go ahead and use the quadratic formula. And the quadratic formula, something that we hopefully have learned and hopefully remembered from algebra, and that your variable x will equal to negative b, and this is your b, which is actually a negative 6, plus or minus the square root of b squared. So again, that's b. I'm not going to put the negative because we're going to square it anyways. Minus 4ac, and squeeze that in there. All divided by 2 times a, which is 3. All right, so just some simplifying to do here. We're going to get 6 plus or minus the square root of, this is going to be 36. 4 and 3 is 12, times 2 is 24. So that's going to be a 12 underneath the square root. 6 plus and minus the square root of 12 over 6. Now 12 is 2 times, or 4 times 3. So the 4, if we do a little bit of that work up here, square root of 12, square root of 4 times 3, and we can break the square root up, and then this is going to be 2. And so that is your square root simplified. And we're going to have 6 plus and minus 2 root 3 over 6. Now we can break up the fraction into 6 over 6 plus and minus 2 over root 3 over 6, and 1 plus and minus, let's just say root 3 over 3 would be your final answer for this. So you're going to get two solutions. They are irrational solutions. They're not nice numbers, but you know, they're still real numbers. And we would, if we were to draw this out, we would see this hitting the x-axis at these points, whatever those points are. Actually, I think I have it simplified a little bit if we want. This turns out to be x equals to, the lesser one is going to be 0.423, and then the greater one is going to be 1.577, approximately. Let's just say approximately for these. Okay, all right, so those are the zeros. Now we are also asked to find out whether this is opening upward or downward. So just off to the side here, our a value is the coefficient of the x squared term, which is 3. More importantly, it's positive, it's bigger than 0. And so because that a value is bigger than 0, then this is going to open upward. If it was less than 0, if it was a negative number, then it would be opening down. Okay, I hope that helps.